friends, welcome to my channel Cyrus Creations, and today I'm here with another very interesting sewing project. Today we are teaching how to loosen a tight pants elastic. I'm having here extra small pants, and as you can see the elastic is so tight, but we're gonna show in this video how to lose that elastic as I did on one pant already, so you can see totally different. So let's have our project. All right, so first step which we are doing, we're gonna mark our waist, how much elastic we need to lose. So I simply gonna use my pins here on both sides here. Because I gonna remove at least a half elastic, so my plan is I gonna remove half from this area and same length from a back side, so all we gonna have elastic on the sides, which is like a professional look from. All right, so one more thing, not every pants or trouser have that kind of strip. So if you have that one, make sure you are not sew that on a centers. If this strip is inside already, you no need to sew, because if you see close up look, we already have a stitches here, we have a stitches on top. So even though you're gonna rip from sides, this elastic still will be safe, so you no need to worry for that thing. The next part we're gonna do, we simply gonna rip the area which we already mark from centers, back side and front side with our sewing ripper, and then I will be back once this will be open. And we're gonna keep removing the area we already marked, and then I will be back. Alright, so after ripping on one side on the back, you can see we have separated our elastic already. So all I'm gonna do, cut that piece of elastic. Just make sure you're not cutting fabric from back and that strip. And the same thing on here. So this piece is out, and now you can see we already have a loose one side on the back. We're gonna do same thing with the front area, and then I will be back and then I will show you how to sew. Alright, as you can see, after taking out elastic off from both sides, our back center part and our front center part, now we have only elastic only sides, one hand on both sides. And the next part we're gonna do, just make because we don't have a zigzag stitching here on top and bottom, so we're gonna start using one zigzag stitch on the bottom, one zigzag stitching on the top, all around our waistband, and then our project will be done. right, as you can see, we have done our to the project very nicely, and it's very neat on both sides, and we have only elastic on the sides, which will make more comfortable while you're standing or sitting. You know, it's not like so tight on your belly area. So comments below if you really like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more DIY cooking sewing projects, and have a nice blessed day. Bye bye.